Hello and welcome to these maths tutorials with TV Tutor. In this video, we will be looking at basic algebra. Algebra involves the use of letters in mathematics to solve problems. These letters represent unknown single values, a range of values, or can represent real objects such as apples or bananas, for example. We try to simplify algebraic expressions as far as possible. This means collecting together terms that are alike. For example, we wouldn't say we had 3 oranges plus 2 oranges, we would say we have 5 oranges. Similarly, in algebra, we would simplify 3a plus 2a to 5a. However, if we had 5 oranges and 3 bars of chocolate, we can't simplify this further because oranges and chocolate are different and distinct things. In algebra, we cannot simplify 5a plus 3b any further when using addition or subtraction. The result is 5a plus 3b. Simplify this expression. Gather like terms either side of the equal sign. When a term changes side of the equal sign, it changes sign. Here, the minus c term becomes plus c. Add and subtract like terms. Simplify this expression. Gather like terms either side of the equal sign. Add and subtract like terms. Numbers cannot be added to terms, but must be kept separate. A term containing AF, for example, cannot be added to a term containing just an A or an F, but must be kept separate. We can also simplify algebraic expressions that involve multiplication and division. The rules here are very different to those for addition and subtraction. Consider the expression 3a times 5b. We can rewrite this as 3 times a times 5 times b. A similar numerical expression might be 2 times 5 times 6 times 3. Just as we would multiply the numerical terms, we would multiply the coefficients for the algebraic terms. Similarly, we can simplify the division expression 14CD over 2D by dividing CD by D and 14 by 2. The D's cancel, resulting in the expression here. The generalized rule for multiplying two like terms with indices is to add the indices. Here's an expression with indices that is simplified. Indices can only be added for like terms. Here, the indices for the terms D and E are kept separate. When we have a mixture of indices and coefficients, we also multiply the coefficients. When the expression involves division, we can treat the indices at the denominator terms as negative, then add the indices as before. Here's an expression with indices that is simplified. Sometimes an expression is given that will include brackets. Expanding brackets is the process of multiplying terms and then gathering like terms to further simplify the expression. Consider the expression. Multiplying out the brackets, we get. Gathering like terms, we have. Adding like terms results in. Consider the expression. Multiplying out the brackets, we get. Gathering like terms, we have. Adding like terms results in. Substitution is the process where we swap an algebraic letter for its value. Consider the expression 5a plus 3, which can have a whole range of values dependent on the value of a. If we are told the value of a is 3, then we can determine the value of the expression by swapping the letter a with the value 3. So when a equals 3, the expression gives a result of 18. Calculate the value of this expression by substituting the variables a and b with the values of 3 and 2. Substituting the values, the value of the expression is calculated. Note, take care with negative signs. Calculate the value of this expression by substituting the variable a with the value of 5. Substituting the values, the value of the expression is calculated. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have found it useful, please like and subscribe to see more content.